and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys the 6 ways to reduce water retention, and no, coffee is not one of them. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So what is water retention? So all water retention is when there's an excess of fluids that are building up in your body. Fluid retention is also known as edema. So it can cause swelling in the hands, feet, and even your legs. And this is because it occurs in your circulatory system. So within your tissues and your cavities. Now there's a million different reasons of why this can happen, and most of them are not serious. You know, pregnant women, this can happen to, or even before you're getting your period. People who are physically inactive, like if you've been sitting through a super long flight, or if you're somebody who's bedridden, you know, something like that. But something like kidney disease or heart failure can cause water retention too, and that's definitely more serious than, you know, getting your period or being pregnant. So if that's what's happening to you, you should definitely go seek medical attention and go talk to a doctor. But if it's something that is not severe at all, and it's just, you know, mild swelling, then you came to the right place, and I can give you a couple tips on how to reduce this water retention. Number 1 is going to be eating less salt. This is a big one. So sodium binds to the water that's in your body. It helps to maintain the balance of fluids inside and outside of the cell. Your body can retain water if you're eating foods that are really, you know, highly processed or high in salts. So decreasing your sodium intake is typically going to be like the number 1 thing that you're going to want to check, and that should fix the problem. But, you know, we have 5 more. Number 2 is to increase your magnesium intake. Magnesium is a very, very important mineral. I have it right here. 1 second. Okay, so I have 2 right here. I always make sure I take magnesium, just because, not only because, but I do get a lot of ocular migraines and it helps me. So I have 2 here. This one is Nature's Truth Magnesium. This is 250 milligrams, and this one is magnesium citrate. It's 400 milligrams of magnesium per serving. So whatever one. So if you don't want to supplement, which I supplement on top of trying to get everything into my diet, but you can find magnesium in, you know, dark leafy greens, dark chocolate, nuts, whole grains, and even green vegetables. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, so it's super, super important. Number 3 is to increase your vitamin B6 intake. So they're responsible for the formation of red blood cells in your body. So bananas, potatoes, walnuts, and meat are also a good source of these B6 vitamins. Number 4 is to eat more potassium-rich foods. So potassium is really important too for a whole host of things. But what's important to note here is that it's responsible for sending electrical signals to your body to make sure everything is functioning properly. Potassium also decreases sodium levels and increases urine production. So bananas, avocados, tomatoes, and a whole bunch of other things have vitamin B6 in them if you don't want to supplement. Number 5 are dandelions. Now, hear me out on this one. So dandelions are used in, you know, more holistic type of health medicine, but this could really help you out. It's just an herb that is used as a natural diuretic. And because this can make you urinate more often, and this can definitely help with water retention. There are other potential benefits of dandelions too, but I'm just going to be talking about that with water retention here. And number 6 is to avoid refined carbs. You don't want any rapid spikes in your blood sugar levels or insulin levels here. High insulin levels are going to cause your body to retain more sodium. It does this because it reabsorbs the sodium in your kidneys, which then leads to more fluid in your body, and that is definitely not what we want. So if you don't know what a processed carb is, that would be things like, you know, processed sugars or even grains. So that would be like, you know, table sugar or like bleached flour, stuff like that. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video. It would really help me a lot, and I think it would really help others. Now, if you tried any of these and they worked for you, definitely let me know in the comment section below, or if you know another way that has helped you or somebody else, definitely leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.